Children are more susceptible to heat-related injuries than adults. That's why daycare should take heat stroke seriously. Today, we're going to break down what parents need to know after their child has suffered a heat stroke at daycare and what steps to take next. Let's start with the basics. How does heat stroke even happen at daycare? Unfortunately, heat stroke injuries are common and can happen in a number of different ways. For example, a daycare might forget a child in a van, or caregivers may leave a child locked outside. These scenarios are shocking, and they happen when negligent caregivers aren't doing their jobs. Caregivers can prevent these life-changing heat stroke injuries by doing a careful count of the kids they're responsible for. Caregivers should also go through a checklist with each child's name to ensure every child is there, in case the caregiver miscounted the first time. Daycare should always be aware of the heat index and provide plenty of water to children when they're outside and engaging in active playtime. Daycare staff should never skip these steps. Otherwise, kids can suffer from severe heat-related injuries, which can result in brain or vital organ damage, nerve damage, heart and other circulatory issues, or even death. If your child was the victim of heat stroke at daycare, it's important to follow these essential steps. First, get your child immediate medical attention. Heat stroke can cause damage to the body quickly, so it's important that your child is taken to an emergency room right away. Second, after you've sought medical help for your child, report the incident to the proper authorities. In Texas, that would be the Texas Health and Human Services Child Care Division. If you're not quite sure how to report a daycare injury, we've included a link below. And finally, contact a daycare injury attorney. Daycare injury lawyers, like our team here at the Button Law Firm, are experienced in helping families navigate these tough situations and get the help they need to get justice for their child. We've helped many families who've been in your shoes move forward after their child has suffered from a heat-related injury at daycare. If you're not quite ready to speak with a member of our team, we get it. That's why we've created a free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. It's linked below. Don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to keep you moving forward.